Well, we are waiting right now. I think recently notification has come out where the delimitation committee was set up, and it is the duty of this committee to complete the task of conducting the delimitation process. And once that is done, then the House will pass it and send to the Honorable Governor for approval. Once that is done, then only we'll be able to tell you when are we going to have the election.
Will you be also waiting for SIR bids?
Well, I think that that is not necessary at this juncture, because SIR again it is not within the concern of the state government. It has to be done by the Election Commission of India. Anytime when the order comes, we are ready for the SIR.